Oh my god.
Dead. Dead, I need your help.
It's Ice Spice as well, bro.
Dead! Let me hit this. Let me hit this. Please. Oh.
And when you're playing, unravel in the sand, what would you wish if you had one chance? So airplane, sorry I'm late. I'm on my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight and I'll be right back at it by the end of the night.
Front up hard.
Night sky like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now. Wish right now. Wish right now. Can we pretend that if
What's the worst thing? Frank, when? For what?
Yeah. Somebody take me back to the
Oh my god.
days before this was a job.
That'll be
Before
Max
I
as well.
got paid. Before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get a tip at Subway. And back when I was rapping for the hell of it. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out
Yes!
then maybe I go back to the